Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Instagram notification sound. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first, I have Instagram opened. If you go tap the little profile icon at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right, you can go into your settings and then you can see notifications here. You can see various things for it, direct messages, various notifications, and all of these just have options to either turn them basically on or off. But it doesn't give you a chance to change the actual notification sound. And then if you get out of here, then go into settings here, then go to the sounds and haptics, you can see here they're giving you various options to change the actual sound for notifications, but these are all built-in default sounds. Say for your mail or airdrop, when it comes down to it looking all over, there's absolutely no way to change your notification sound for Instagram. So it's not necessarily the answer that you wanted, but ultimately on iPhone, you're limited. If you do have an Android device, you can go in here and into your sounds, and then you can also customize sounds and ringtones for Instagram. But if you just got an iPhone and you're wondering how do I change that sound, basically Apple doesn't give you that option. You can only change this kind of basic default sounds, but you can change the notification tone for Instagram. So again, probably not the answer that you're hoping for, but that's the truth. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.